High-performance computing enables velocity, volume, and variety. This means that the steps involved in processing and analyzing large quantities and varieties of data are often intensive and complicated, easier to obfuscate or black box, harder to understand and regulate. As a result, understanding what algorithms do and the provenance and quality of data being processed and analyzed is becoming more difficult, not only for consumers, public policy actors, and government regulators, but also for technical experts and providers of algorithm-based services. Like data, algorithms can seem neutral and objective, but algorithms are linked to specific human design and use, even if at a remove. An algorithm is simply a plan, set of steps, or instructions to solve a problem. In the context of computing, you could say that algorithms, as represented in code or programming language, tell the computer or machine what to do. Middlestat views algorithms as mathematical constructs, implementations, such as technologies or programs, and as configurations or applications. Gillespie argues that algorithms are also culturally meaningful. For instance, algorithms are culturally meaningful when we talk about what we think the Facebook algorithm is doing to our newsfeed, or who it thinks we are when it suggests friends we might already know or products we might like to buy. There's also a broader unease when we talk about algorithms involved in deciding who has access to public information based on these assumptions. For instance, personalization's role in limiting access to legitimate news and in spreading disinformation during the 2016 presidential elections, or in deciding who receives a job or housing ad. Much public debate has occurred over the last several years around algorithms involved in predictive policing and sentencing. For instance, ProPublica's expose on negative consequences and disparate impact on African Americans, an unwarranted benefit of the doubt given white Anglos as a group, when judges and parole boards utilize predictive algorithms embedded in proprietary software to assign risk scores for sentencing and parole decisions. In critical data study scholarship and in public discourse around algorithms, we are most often talking about algorithms like these, which are embedded in machine or machine-assisted decision-making systems, often in contexts where, until very recently, decisions would have been made by humans. These decision-making systems are reliant on a steady stream of data extracted from daily human activities. These contexts give rise to some of the most heated debates over issues of autonomy, fairness, social justice, and calls for transparency and accountability.